So, hello, my name is Dishita, and today I'm going to talk about the Parrot Swing Drone. It's a toy bought by my dad in Christmas. It's about $100. Here's some positive things about it. First, it has good flying abilities. Next, it has good batteries. On about 10 minutes, you can fly. Also, you don't need to control it with a smartphone. Finally, you can fly it indoors and outdoors. Also, there are some negative things about it. First, it's very light. You can't fly it on a windy day, or else it'll get stuck in a tree or something. Next, it's very, very, very noisy. Can't sound like a very large bee. It'll come like bzzz, like that. So I recommend you have to close the doors and fly it in your basement, and you can fly it in big open parks. Okay, and now I'm going to show how the drone lifts off the ground. I have to press this button. The up one. Oh yes, it's up, it's up. Up, little down, and around. Yes, that's the left way around and the right way around. Up, right, and left. You close, and here's forward. Okay, and here's how you land it. 3, press that other button twice. Is that good?
That's the way to.
That's the way how you do it.
Thank you, Dishita.